Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have my beauty empties, and this is pretty much the month of September. I don't always do them right monthly, so I'm just gonna share these empties. I have kind of a lot this month, so I'm gonna go through them pretty quick, so this video doesn't have to be real long. But anyway, let's just get to it. Okay, friends, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. That would be awesome. The first thing I'm pulling out here is from Amika, and it's Reset Cooling Gel Conditioner and Clarifying Gel Shampoo. These were gels. I used the whole thing. I actually really liked them. I like Amika shampoos, and these, the gels they smell just the same as you know, their other products. Definitely Amika, definitely a fun little product. And anyway, so there's the first two. I don't know, I do have other Amikas on hand. I'm using another one that's not the gel. I do still have one gel conditioner though, so I have that. I'm using two with another shampoo, and then I just have the regular Amika that I use. I love Amika products. I love the smell, love the way they work, so I would definitely buy that again. So we'll just stick along with our shower. I'm going to share this Tula skincare. This is kind of the cult favorite probiotic and peptides face wash. I actually keep one of these in the shower. I use it every day in the shower, and love this product. I have back stock. I have, I think, two more. I just started a new one, and then I might have one more back stock. So I will continue to use this product. It stays in my shower. I also have the Tula exfoliant that I use in my shower. Very good product. So that's my next item. The next item is another shower product, and it is Hello Beautiful. It's body wash from Bath & Body. I always stock up on Bath & Body sales when they have them. So I have a shelf full of products. But anyway, so I use one and another one goes. I use them with the sponges from Spongel. What I do is the sponges from Spongel last about, you know, the soap and stuff in it will last about 8 to 10 showers. I can't remember. I think it says up to 14 on there. But anyway, it lasts several. And then when it runs out, I just keep the sponge because the sponge stays clean in my shower, and I use it with the body wash. So anyway, that's my system. Went through a whole one. I'm using another one, probably a different, I think Peony is what I'm using now. But anyway, so there's that. Love it. And the next thing I have is a hair product, and this is from SGX NYC. This is it's a style, it's just a styling spray. This is kind of a hold. Let's see. It says Play It is what it's called. Super hold and volume. Now there's a pink one that I use that I do in my roots that kind of make my hair, you know, kind of give me body up here. This one I just use kind of to finish. There's nothing in it. Oh, got a little bit of something out. I keep finding a little bit in this, but it's gone. It's done. So anyway, love that. I get these at Target. I will continue to buy them. They're around $10 anyway. So the next thing I have in here is this is a toner, and it is by Mamonde. It's rose water toner. There's a little bit left in here. I'm not a fan of rose water, so I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. I guess I must have used some, either that or it spilled out. I think that might have happened. So getting rid of that. Won't buy it again. This is the next thing I have in here is Sky High mascara. I got this as a gift from my daughter. It's like one of her favorites. I used it for a while and it's out, so saying goodbye to that. I have so many mascaras, you guys. Here's another mascara by Babe Lash, and it's out. Don't really remember this that much, but looking at the brush, I'm not a real big fan, I don't think. I do use the Babe Lash eyelash growth serum, but not a big fan. I mean, their mascara is just okay. There's so many good mascaras out there. This probably wouldn't be one of them that I'd pick. The next thing I have in here is from NYX, and it's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. Love this concealer. NYX makes a few really good products. One of them is lip products, and I like their concealers too. So this one, unfortunately, is seen better days. It's pretty dry. You can get a little bit on there, but yeah, anyway, I've used it. I keep using it, but it's gone. So, and I have so many concealers. Would I buy this and use this again? Yes, but do I need to? Not for a long time. Okay, the next thing I have here is from Il Makiage. This is their primer. I love this primer. The one complaint I have about it is it seems like I hardly used it. It was already dried up. Like I tried to get some out of here even today, I think. Now there's a little bit on there, but now I'm finding a little bit more than I got earlier to put on my face. But anyway, it's an awesome primer. It goes on really smooth. It feels good. I think you can tell by the consistency that it will help hold your makeup. So it's pricey. Would I buy it again? If I absolutely needed a primer, I would. I have so many primers on hand. It's not something I'm going to buy again, but I would buy it again, and I would recommend it. So very good primer. Just not sure how long the lasting power is on it. So anyway, there's that. I have another razor in here. These are razors I get from Amazon. They're just their basic razors, but they're cheap. You get them in like 5 or 6 packs. I don't know if they're like around $1 a piece or whatever, but I have used some of the nicer razors that I have. I've tried to test, and it seems like I always go back to this razor. So for some reason I like it. I don't really have to shave my legs, so I use it in other areas, but it works for what I use it for. So anyway, it's a good razor. So there's that. Now I have, I went through another Estee Lauder foundation. This is a 2C3 color. It's just the Double Wear Basic. And I actually have this on today, but I had another bottle. So I always stock up on these when they have their special deals and I can get a package. So I've kind of got a lot of foundation right now that I'm using. So anyway, definitely will buy it again though. So there you go. There's that. And then I have, oh my gosh, this was like one of my favorite things. This is from Caudalie. Now this is the moisturizer, and I love this product. Vino Pure, I don't know what it's called exactly. Let's see. It's so light on here. It says Vino Pure. It's the hydration. Anyway, if I could just get rid of like all my beauty stuff or my boxes or anything and just go to using straight Caudalie skincare, I would do that. But it's too fun for me to get all my boxes and use and try the things I get. So this is expensive. It's a little bit pricey for me. I used to be able to get it. They used to have pretty good deals, but they've gone up in their prices so much. I really can't afford them. So whenever I get a sample or get something like this, this was a pretty good size. This lasted me forever. I mean, I took this thing and I've got every ounce out of it that I could get. But whenever I get a sample, or sometimes Sephora will have little ones that I can pick up. So anytime I can pick up Caudalie for for cheaper in a sample, I will definitely choose this product. Love it, love it. There we go. So there's that. So the next thing is I have, this was, I've used this and just never been a fan of it, and it doesn't smell great, so I'm wondering if it's a resurfacing compound from Beauty. It just says Beauty on here. Anyway, it was kind of a nice serum. I did use it for a while, but I don't know if it got old. So there's a little bit in here, but I just didn't like the smell, and last time I used it, I was just like, okay, I'm getting rid of this. So there's that. Another thing, I don't know. I have some lip products, several lip, actually I have another, this is from Be Bright. Who's this from? Koki. This is a concealer. Wasn't really my color. I think I did use it a couple times, or use it more than a couple times. But it's still got some in there, but I just don't like the color. So that's going bye-bye. And then lip products. I went through some of my lip products and just got rid of a few. I don't know why. Oh no, this one is mascara. This is a bite-sized mascara. Out, done, use that. This is from Lawless. This is Forget the Filler. It's a lip balm. It just kind of got gross inside, so I have used it, but I decided to get rid of it. This is just a little, this is from Styla, I think. Styla. Just a lip product, like a red that I'm getting rid of. I love these. These are from Colt, Smith & Colt. These were great. This was a great gloss, but it's about out and it's kind of gross. So got rid of that. Got rid of this. It's a nude. I think I got this from Temu. Anyway, it's done. And then I have one more. This is from ColourPop. This is the Level Up mascara. It was okay. It wasn't a bad mascara. I just, it's kind of dried out, and so I'm done with that. So that's it. That's my beauty empties. So, what do you think? Oh, there's one more thing in here. What is this? Glamnetic. Oh, this is a liquid magnetic eyeliner. Oh. For like, it was for false lashes. So anyway, that says bye. So all these products we said goodbye to. A lot of them were great products that I recommend. So anyway, what do you think? Had you used any of these products? Do you like any of these products? Do you have any questions about any of the products? If you have any questions or anything, leave a comment below and I can answer them or get back to you. I do appreciate your support. I appreciate you for being here, and I'm already starting on my next month's beauty empties. I think I just emptied something today that I'm gonna throw in next month. So anyway, thanks friends. Thanks for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.